Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to use a One4All card online in 2025. If you're looking to make your online shopping smoother and more secure, this guide is perfect for you. A One4All card is essentially a flexible prepaid gift card that works across various online retailers, and with 2025's updates, it's easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to activate your card. Head over to the official One4All website. It's straightforward. Enter your card number, the security code on the back, and follow the on-screen instructions. This step ensures your card is ready for use and links it to your account for better tracking. Next, check your balance to know what you're working with. Log into the One4All portal using the credentials you set up during activation. It's a quick process that gives you a real-time view of your funds, helping you plan your purchases without surprises. Now, for the fun part, adding your card to online stores. Take Amazon as an example. Go to your account settings, select gift cards and promotional credits, and enter your One4All card details. This way, it's saved for future use. For other sites like eBay or Walmart, look for the Add Payment Method option during checkout. When you're ready to shop, select your items, head to the cart, and choose your One4All card as the payment source. Double-check the amount to avoid any issues, then confirm the transaction. Remember, 2025 brings enhanced security features like two-factor authentication, so keep an eye out for that prompt. One more tip. Always monitor your transactions through the One4All app or website to spot any unauthorized activity. If something looks off, contact support immediately. There you have it. Using a One4All card online in 2025 is simple and secure. This method not only saves time but also adds convenience to your digital life. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.